Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Sainte-Adèle is a charming town in the Laurentians region of Quebec, located about 60 kilometers north of Montreal. Sainte-Adèle is known for its beautiful natural surroundings, including the nearby Mont-Tremblant Provincial Park, and it has a rich history that goes back to the mid-1800s. The area was first settled in the 1840s, when conditions worsened in the nearby Seigneuries. The first village center formed around Ronde Lake, and it included a general store, a blacksmith, and a small chapel. As the village grew, it became a popular destination for tourists, especially after the arrival of the railway in 1891. This new transportation option brought many visitors to the area, boosting the local economy, and solidifying Sainte-Adèle as a resort town. Sainte-Adèle's growth continued throughout the 20th century, with key developments like the arrival of downhill skiing in 1914, and the opening of the Côte 40-80 ski center in 1938. These attractions drew even more visitors, and helped the town become a year-round tourist destination. By the mid-1900s, residential development exploded, especially in the Sainte-Adèle area, as vacationers from across Quebec came to enjoy the natural beauty of the region. In 1997, Sainte-Adèle merged with the neighboring Mont-Rollin to form the larger Sainte-Adèle we know today. Whether you are visiting for its stunning natural landscapes, rich history, or vibrant arts and culture, Sainte-Adèle is a place where history and modern life beautifully blend together.